Now to the latest of those devastating and deadly California wildfires. Fire crews there are hoping to make more headway and stamping out multiple wildfires, with winds expected to ease up over the next few days. At least 25 people have died and more than 12,000 structures destroyed in the blazes that began over a week ago.
And Charlie Demar reports from Los Angeles. Officials there are now grappling with some tough questions about what happened in the hours before the disaster struck.
Weakening winds offered a much-needed break for firefighters battling the Southern California fires. But now questions swirl over what happened before the deadly flames spread.
It's the actions that we take prior to that wind event ever starting that are going to make the most difference.
CBS News has confirmed that as the Palisades fire started on the morning of January 7th, only 19 fire engines were pre-deployed to the area. It's unclear how many, if any, were sent to the first neighborhood on fire. Hours passed before officials sent out this notice to bring in off-duty firefighters.
I can guarantee you that every resource that was available was working and focused on the mission.
The Glassmans returned to find a diamond in the rough among the ruins of their Palisades home.
I thought I was never going to see it again. It's just pure joy. I am so happy.
But sorrow for Jordan Mitchell, who was in the hospital when his wheelchair-bound father and brother with cerebral palsy died in the Eaton fire. He says his father called for help, but no one came.
Dying in a fire is not a pretty way to go. No one deserves that.
Crosses now line fences, honoring the more than 24 victims of the most destructive wildfires in California history.
Truly just heartbreaking to see that. Federal and California state law enforcement officials have formed a task force to combat crime related to these wildfires, such as price gouging and looting.